So good afternoon everybody, this is Acharya Vishvendra and this is NCRT line to line discussion. The chapter is atoms. So let's start with the question answers. So the first question is about atomic hypothesis, then discharge tube experiment by J.J. Thomson, then considerations about atom as a whole, then positive charge on that, different scientific models on atoms. Then we have rarefied gases, the concept of that, spacing between molecules. Each element is a characteristic spectrum of radiations, then spectrum of hydrogen, then simplest atom, then Rutherford experiments, the scattering of that, nuclear model of atom is postulates, its inability to explain certain things. Then we have some theoretical question based on Giger-Marston experiment, thickness of gold foil, graphical variations of scattered particles as a function of angle. Then certain statistical based questions on that. Then we have questions based on atomic size and nuclear size. Then we have some questions based on alpha particles, charge, mass, gold nucleus, the force between gold nucleus and alpha particles. Then we have a scattering of alpha particles, then Rutherford scattering, solar system and atomic comparison. Then we have certain questions based on actual radius of gold nucleus, then relation between orbital radius and speed, graphical questions based on that. Again, graphical questions based on different parameters of electron moving in an atom. Then certain theoretical questions based on that. Then a spectrum series, Balmer-Lyman, shortest, longest wavelength. And we have question based on Balmer series, empirical formula, Rydberg constant, dimension, SI unit, CGS unit. Then we have some questions based on Lyman, Paschen, bracket series, empirical formulas for them. Lyman series, wavelength related question. Questions based on frequencies of photons emitted in these series. Then we have certain questions based on energy of electron in an atom. Then we have classical electromagnetic theory. Then we have a numerical question based on frequency of light emitted by an electron. Then certain theoretical questions on that, Planck's constant, Bohr's postulate, questions based on that, graphical questions based on that, statements based question, radius of electron in nth orbit, graphical variations, minimum radius, radius of different orbits, total energy, graphical variations of total energy. Then we have total energy in nth state, questions based on that. Then we have certain questions based on limitations of Bohr's law, numerical questions based on quantum number. Then we have certain questions based on Bohr's law, total energy based questions. Then we have minimum energy needed, room temperature, most of energy. Then we have certain questions based on different energy states of hydrogen atom or hydrogen-like particles. Then we have highest and lowest energy configurations. Then existence of discrete energy level. Then questions based on different energy levels. Then we have numericals based on Rydberg constant. Then empirical formula of Lyman line, Balmer series, different questions based on that, de Broglie wavelength. Then we have certain question on quantization or concept of matter waves when applied to an electron moving in a certain orbit. Then we have classical trajectory questions. And we have certain theoretical question based on Bohr's model, then about emission spectrum of hydrogen, then laser surgery, then questions based on intensity and laser source. And we have certain questions based on atomic models, then atomic spectrum frequencies, expression for frequencies, angular momentum conservation. Then we have questions based on Planck's constant, dimensional formula, SI units, AGS unit, orbital picture. Then we have questions based on quantum numbers, quantum theories. Then we have questions related to the frequencies of spectral lines. So there are a total of 354 questions in this chapter, and these will help you to optimize preparing your NCRT in an object-oriented manner. So you just start this video and start with the NCRT book side by side and map each question and its relevant answer. So these are an optimization tool to prepare NCRT for NEET and GNM physics. Thank you and have a nice day.